Okay guys, so we're now in Guinea-Bissau. So they're making I don't know. Qual è il nome di questo? Bajiki. Cagna. Ratatouille. Pissi. Okay, with rice.
Conserva.
Sì. And after we're gonna go. Huh? Jagatu. Oh, okay. And after we're gonna go see the Cufada park. I never saw this thing before. I wonder what it is. City. Another exit. Oh, that's it. Interesting, it's different water taste. I don't usually eat rice. I don't usually eat rice in the morning, but this is good. I didn't know we were going to have this because I ate a few fruits in the morning. Yeah, so now we'll have to find a way to go to the park. But yeah, basically I'm in Buba. It's a place in Guinea-Bissau, and yeah, let's see how things go. Okay guys, so we find the car. Let's go. Park.
Sì, pode filmar todos.
Sì. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna so we just rented a taxi for the whole day to drive around the park to see around how it is, you know. So we came from Guinea to Senegal, and yeah, I didn't want to stay in Bissau because it didn't seem interesting, but this place like seemed interesting. But yeah, I guess we see how it is. It's not very popular because most people they come to the island when they come to Bissau. So I thought, why not? Let's come look what's here. Guys, as you can see, the road like they're not the absolute best. They're not the absolute best. So like during the rainy season, usually it's very hard to come over here with like, let's say, a normal car. I don't know if this car counts. Maybe it does, you know, because I think they're modified a little bit. But yeah, because you know it's all mud. There's no tarmac. so it's during the rainy season it's all muddy and there'll be like puddles and everything. So now it's a good time to be here because also there's like there's less mosquitoes, which I hate them, yeah. And therefore there's also like less malaria going around. So now it's a good time. It's a good time to visit Guinea-Bissau. So yeah, I think it's about like a half an hour drive or 1 hour drive. And then we go. We get into the park. I fell to sleep on the car, so I don't know where I am now. But I think it's like a village. They're cooking something. I don't know what they're cooking. Oh yeah. I don't know when we're gonna start looking at the park. There's the car. Mercedes with no number plate. Okay, I think now we're getting towards the water. Yeah, I think now we are towards the water. And yeah, looks nice, bro. Like, let's go. Just wait until I show you the view. Just wait. Hopefully I don't fall into the water. There's some boat. Just wait, guys. Just wait, be patient. I will show you the view. But you can start already seeing it. It's nice. Oh, 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 oh. Boom. Look at that. Those flowers, and they're beautiful. Guys, wow. I'm impressed. And how can I say? Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm happy that I came here. I was a bit skeptical. I'm like, let's go do it. You know the what every other people do when they come to Guinea? They just go to the island, which is near Bissau. But I was like, yeah, let's take a chance. Let's see this place. It's not very well known, but as you can see, it's beautiful, man. I think it's the largest wetland place in wetland nature reserve in Guinea-Bissau, and it's beautiful. Look at this. I'm sure there is like so many fishes and animals, but for me, I love flowers. So let's see if we can get if we can get close to that. We'll ask now. Okay, guys, so now we're on the boat. We have the beautiful flower. Yeah. And I guess let's see where we go, how it is. There's so many flowers. Beautiful. So you see, like a bit earlier, I was in Gambia, and over there it was like more of a river, you know, paddling around the river. But over here it's different. It's yeah, it's not a river. It's, I think it's called Palude in Italian. I don't know. But yeah, it's a lot of wetland, and I just love these flowers on the sea. I mean, not on the sea, on the water. They're so beautiful. Let's see if we can see a nice one. And also we had some birds. Oh, this one's nice. Yeah, this many. Oh, this many. So many. Yeah, I don't think I've ever been to a place like this. It's actually nice. I suppose there's also like a lot of fish. Oh. Yeah, as you can see, there's like the insect over there. You can see in the flowers. I think they're pollinating. I don't know if you can see it, but you see. Oh, it's gone. But yeah, they're pollinating the flowers. I think over here is probably has like a very unique flora of animals because it's pretty much untouched. But yeah, look at this one. It's just amazing, yeah. It's beautiful. So guys, I guess in this kind of... Oh, there's a bird. There's a bluebird. But yeah, I guess in this kind of like trip where I'm just like, you know, paddling around, there's really not much to say because as you can see, it's just like neat and quiet, peaceful. You just have to like just enjoy the nature. Look how calm is the water, like no wave is completely perfect, you know. I think over here the most popular thing to see will be like the birds again, because I don't think there's many land animals because it's mostly water. And yeah, it's just interesting because it's different to whatever I've done before, you know, or seen before. I paddle around a lot, but over here is also a nice place to paddle because there is also no current, so it's probably very nice. Oh, looks like over there's even more flowers. You know guys, I'm very tempted to just like, you know, break one of the flowers and take it with me, but at the same time like, I think I've changed too much over the past few years. Like maybe a few years ago I would have done it, but now I'm like, I don't think it's good, I don't think it's fair. And also like you can see the insect or the animals pollinating the flowers, so they're getting the food from it. So yeah, I don't think I could do it as much as I want to, and also there's so many of them. But yeah, that'll be like me taking the food away or something like that, you know, or me interacting with the wildlife. I think today is good because the sun is not beating out, it's not beating down as usual, you know. It is sunny, but it's not as harsh as usual. And also there's like a nice breeze in the middle of the, I don't know what to call this, lagoon. There you go, a lagoon, I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's a lagoon. But yeah, it's breezy in the middle of the lagoon, so I don't know, we'll see what's up. So, I mean, I don't know, I booked the taxi for the whole day. So let's see what else is to do. I'm sure there is. I mean, the park is big. It's a big park, so I wonder what we'll do. Yes, I think I did say I wasn't going to break any, and I didn't. Actually, I really didn't. Like, I'm not joking. They just gave it to me. The guy behind me, he just broke one and gave it to me. So I don't know. I guess I don't have any much choice. You know, it's oh, I guess one minute. Yeah, I didn't do this. I really didn't do this. It is what it is, I guess. I'll just let it go to the nature. Over there we have the other kids coming. see what's up. Okay, let's get off the boat. And here again the people keeping the street clean. Yeah. Okay. Let's get back in the car in the Mercedes. And oh fuck, next to what? Yeah, let's see where we go next. Because we booked the taxi for the whole day. It's still 11:30. We're supposed to come back by 6 p.m. So keep me entertained. But there's so many butterflies. I love it.
Hi, bro.
Hello, how are you?
I'm very fine, and you?
Good,
Are
man.
you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. The people are asking.
You guys just came here and just asked me to help them with something. But the thing is, guys, if you help them, if you start giving out money, everyone's gonna start asking that, you know. And at the same time, for the future tourists, when other tourists come, they're gonna start asking. So it's not a good idea to give out money, because then they think you have money, and yeah, then it's tough. They'll ask money for everything. Guys, honestly, this is very impressive. Like, I wouldn't expect the cars to come through here. You know? Usually, it's like every time I've been to, like, let's say similar terrain, it's always been like 4x4 Land Cruiser. I didn't expect like a Mercedes to come, and I'm definitely sure that the new one wouldn't be able to really hang around too much here, you know. I'm saying the cars, I'm not saying the 4x4 like the pickup trucks, but I'm saying like the new Mercedes cars. I don't think they'll be able to move around too well, you know. So guys, we just buy this fish. Okay. Qual è il nome?
No,
Bentana.
Bentana. Sì.
Wow,
And
Bentana.
Bentana, yeah. See. And I think someone's wife is gonna cook them. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so basically I just buy the fish. They say they're gonna cook me 1 kilo, they're gonna have 1 kilo. And so yeah, I bought them 1 kilo, so I don't have to pay for them to cook it. But either way, I'm not gonna eat 1 kilo, so I'm probably gonna eat like a quarter of that. But yeah, at least we all eat afterwards, you know. I think it's a good deal. So guys, this is how they get the palm juice.
Abogum sa limpan. Lina lenda. Oh. Limpan semana.
So this is how they get sumo d'arancia. No, sumo de palma.
C'est limon.
Ah, ça c'est limon?
Limon Francis.
Limon français.
Ah.
Okay, now we're gonna go see. Oh, gonna go see a river. It's called Rio Grande de Buba. Let's see if it's veramente grande.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just walked through hell to come see this.
Rio.
Yeah,
Rio Grande Buba.
this is called Rio Grande. It's a bit disappointing, but it's okay. Oof. I don't know. Let's see. You see, like some school here. That's everything. The school in Guinea-Bissau.
É as turmas.
Ah,
Hoje
sim.
é a toma das férias.
Oh, ok.
É por isso que temos pouca aderência.
Sim.
Outra não está nessa hora. Mas já é.
That's another class.
Sim. De manhã só com as crianças de 3 a 4 anos, 5 anos.
4 anos, sim, sim. So,
Com
like,
pré-escolar já.
sim, sim, sim. So like 4 to 5 years. E esse quanto ano?
É primeiro ano, segundo ano.
5 anos. Ah, ok.
Hoje é toma das aulas.
Oh, that's good. That was unexpected.
Também na outra aí. Eles estão a fazer limpeza. São alunos de terceiro nível.
Ah, ok, ok.
Terceiro nível. Nós estamos na toma de férias.
Sim.
Há pouca aderência ainda.
Ok.
Aí a segunda-feira,
Mm.
há massa de alunos aí. Eu trabalhei de manhã e à tarde.
Okay.
Numa escola comunitária.
It's like a public school. Yeah. That's good. English? No English?
Não, não. Yeah.
What Portuguese one?
Sim, português.
Portuguese. Ah, okay. No, they only learn Portuguese over here. Okay, that's good.
Ok.
Obrigado, obrigado.
Sim,
Sobre a nossa vida.
A nossa
nossa vida, ciências, ciências sociais, ciências de natureza.
Okay. That was cool. We got to see a school. That's good. Okay, guys. So now I think they're gonna prepare the fish that we got from the place. And, I think they'll prepare it. You know, yesterday I had it was very good, so I'm curious how they make it. So let's see how they prepare the fish. First they clean it. I think the cleaning part is pretty obvious. I'm more curious with like the seasoning because yesterday I had it was so good, man. I think it was like the best fish I had. Like one of the best prepared fish I had. So I'm curious to see. Guys, so I thought it was going to be free to be cooked, but you know, they think I'm Bill Gates, so they're like, yeah, we need this amount of money to go buy the stuff. I was like, I'm not giving you money. Let's go buy the stuff ourselves. And we walk into the shop, and okay. And yeah, it's funny because they start acting like I'm the president. They go around and grab like the most expensive stuff. I'm like, no, bro, chill, man. Like, why would you need extra virgin oil from Europe to fry some chips, bro? Like, chill.
Vin.
It's smart, man. It's funny though. Let's go. It's okay. Let's go find some other stuff. Okay, guys, we got everything we wanted, and it did work out to be much cheaper than they were asking. You know, here, asking for like 5,000. Overall, it was gonna be like 2,000. You know. But it is. I understand that like they're just trying. They just have the opportunity, so they're trying. You know. So I don't blame them. But yeah, you have to be smart. Otherwise, I do this because otherwise they'll do it to every other tourist. You know. Okay. Yeah, I think they mash up a few stuff and then they just put it in the fish. I think they put it with like lemon and stuff like that, and then they marinate it.
Pero kokotoki po kabundan. Ini sekarang.
They put the oil in the fish. So now she's preparing a salad. The tomatoes over here are different. Although it's green, it's actually still good. Can still eat it. It doesn't mean that it's not ready. And, yeah, so it's good. I like it. I like this type of eating. I like eating salad. You know? Very nice. I like it. She's just removing the seed and then putting it on the plate.
Yeah, where was it?
Guys, look what people I was gonna say. The people like the people over there, like that guided me on the tour. Look like what they wrote me. They say, want to eat food?
Hello.
Yes, of course, man. I'm not gonna eat 4 fish by myself. I'm not gonna eat 1 kilo of potato by myself, man. I cannot eat it. Of course I'm gonna feed them. Or should I not? Should I not? No, of course, man, of course you're gonna eat. But it's funny how they ask. Thinking that I'm gonna eat everything. It looks like the fish is ready.
Travessa.
It's good, it's good, it's good.
Não, mas é que não. Vamos lá, vamos botar banca.
Looks nice.
Boca vai para pegar. Ini como é que é? Gata na sal.
Soon we may eat. Let's see what else they're cooking. So this is the salad. I think there's some cabbage, onions, tomatoes, peppers.
Bom para comer na sal.
And over there the fried potatoes. Yeah, good, man. Gonna have some decent food for today after a long day. Also my first meal of the day. I only had an apple this morning, man. Been busy. I seem to understand what's in there. I think it's oil, garlic. And then the thing.
Não, disse arroz. A parte, não vais comer arroz.
Arroz? Que,
Sim. Comida, vianda.
Até lembra, mostra lá.
Aquele comida
Pera.
com prato ontem lá.
Ah, não. Tem cerveja?
Cerveja, sim, tens. Vamos fazer um prato. Que de cerveja?
Aí dá cerveja para servir andar.
Lata. Essa cerveja não, ou sumo.
The food is ready.
Diz 3 cervejas do lado.
Looking good.
Nada de sumo, mas sumo que na vida.
Nada de sumo.
A minha não viu.
Looking good. Look at this.
Também que ela só
Mostrar lá, espera de mostrar lá a receita de pessoa.
It's time to try the fish. Let's see how it is.
Era na prova da Rússia.
Só
Yeah, it's good,
combinado.
man. The fish.
Não é nesta lungo.
Só lungo.
Boca trapis. Ou para bom prato.
They're not too cook over here. Just everything. So now you saw how it is.
Yeah.
So
No, sasa tu leki ni kita beriau ni, au kate. Ana maja kita kate
see you
ama.
later.
Isuna la.
And this is the beer.
Asa tu ma perto kolombe kata bursulia.
Good stuff.
Asa tu jangan kita satu kolombe lah ya. Kau nak sama kate kolom. Ana dia nak kau dah Maria yang kate ya.
Maria Padilla.
Kolom mati.
Nah, Maria.
Kau kata murugul. Maria kau bukan kolom badan.
Aku.
Kena kau buat dia kena jual. Kolom badan. Kita kena papali. Jangan kau tak